What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So welcome to another episode of my studio tour, a series of videos that I'm doing every time I make some changes in my studio. If I add some equipment or take away some equipment, I'm making videos about this. That's kind of my progress in my studio. In today's episode, I'm going to fix a problem that I have. I have three parts of my studio which I record my videos, right? I have my main set, which you see my background is in space. I have my voiceover set, which you see me at the computer making videos, talking about my voiceover and kind of doing some tutorials. And I have this set. Now, this set right here is a eyesore, right? If you look at the background, it's dull, it's nothing special, right? And I need to fix that. Not only that, I need to fix that, I need to spice it up the background a little bit. But I have a problem. The stand that I have behind me, it houses a bunch of smartphones and a lot of junk. And plus, I have a sound blanket that's hanging on the back. So I need to fix that, right? So I have these acoustic foams by Freeney. These acoustic foams is going to replace the sound blanket. I like these because it's a peel and stick to put it right on the wall. So I'm going to remove the sound blanket and I'm going to add some flavor to the back. As you can see, the back area looks really rough. It's not appealing. And I want to make more videos in this area, more talking head videos, more intimate type tech videos, but I can't because the background looks so bad. So let's go on and fix that by me adding some acoustic foam and taking away the sound blanket that I have and kind of spruce it up a little bit. So yes, that's what I'm talking about. Let's have some fun. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, guys, so let's get started. One of the things that I have over here is a lot of smartphones, a lot of dirty smartphones. They've been sitting here for a long time. So what I want to do is I want to take all this stuff down and try to get a functional background, which kind of give you an example of what I'm talking about. So here is a smartphone, right? And it is absolutely filthy. This is a dirty smartphone. I mean, so I have a lot of smartphones up here. Now, I have over 200 smartphones. I cannot put 200 smartphones on this rack. So I have half my smartphones in boxes, and I have kind of the other half of smartphones over here. So what I want to do is I want to take all this stuff down, move all of this, and my audio was messing up a little bit. What I was trying to say is I was going to take the acoustic foam and I was going to put it on the wall. Not only that, but I do have a sound blanket that's behind this stand here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the stuff off the stand and put it in the tote that I'm showing right here. And I'm going to make it look pretty, because one of the things that I wanted to accomplish here is that I want to film right in this spot, but I want to have a very good background. So what I want to do is I want to accomplish that by taking everything off the stand. I want to put the acoustic foam on and put all the extra stuff in the tote and make it look pretty. So check this out. All right, guys, so I removed pretty much everything off the shelf, right? I still have the sound blanket behind it. I'm gonna pull this shelf out. I'm gonna get behind it. I'm gonna start putting up the foam acoustic on the back here. But I got to clean up the shelf. Kind of give you an example of some of the issues that I have. Smartphones that I got sitting on that shelf for a very long time. So much dust, right? This dust caked on it. And these are some of the smartphones I haven't used in, God, years. But what I'm gonna do, move the shelf, clean it off, get to behind it, and let's go to put all the foam acoustics and put everything back settled up. So one of the things I do want to mention is that soon as I took my sound blanket down, in this area right here, it's so echoey. Like this, the sound blanket made a huge difference in this area. But since I took the sound blanket down, I hear a lot of echo in this area right here. As you can hear, the echo is really, really bad. But let me go to put the acoustic foam and let's go down and finish this job so I can redo everything here and get this background looking good. All right, so the job is coming along pretty well here, right? I did cut right here by the light switch. I just used a pair of scissors, trimmed around it. Not the best job, but it does, the bean looks pretty good. Again, I like these because they peel and stick. Now, the acoustic foam that I put on this side, it did not have a sticky back. I had to use adhesive and thumbtacks and stuff like that, but these is pretty good. Just basically go in there, put it on there, it's nice and easy. All right, guys, so I'm all done, right? It looks a whole lot better than it was when before I started this quest. One of the things I do want to mention is that when I took the sound blanket off, I did hear a lot of echo in that area. But since I put the acoustic foam here by Flinny, right, which I will leave that link down in the description below, I do hear a huge difference, especially coming from the sound blanket to putting up the acoustic foam. So overall, this was my quest, right, to get a good background because I want to film videos right here. Some kind of talking head videos, but my background was just terrible. So right now, it looks a whole lot better. And wow. So I will leave all product links all down in the description below. And this project right here pretty much took me about an hour and a half, 2 hours to do. But overall, I like this background. So if you want to see more studio tour videos, please make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about my studio tour videos in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. Looks good. Looks really good.